Joe Cervantes, outside sales and logistics for C&M Topsoils here in Sylmar, California. We are a composting, chipping, and grinding facility. Here on site, we basically have the influx of recycled material from different municipalities, Los Angeles, throughout, which we process, break down, and give back to the communities. In our upper yard, we're currently running the Turex 620 TL alongside the CBI 5800 BT. In the lower yard, we're running the EvoQuip Cobra 230 alongside the PowerScreen Chieftain 1700. We basically purchased these for the easy use, easy setup. If we need to break them down, they're easily movable for the multiple applications we could use these machines in. Together we can grind, we can chip, we can bust gravels down, so many possibilities, and it's been nothing but a blessing. Since we've had them, we have been able to keep up with the influx of materials that this great city demands. We've had no problems, like I said, in the last 12 to 15 years that we've had these machines, and we've been able to create so many more products utilizing these machines. Nothing but amazing. They're from technical support, customer support, they're on it. We've had no issues that I could recollect. I don't see any arising.